Let's recap what we've done in the last several videos. We've created one area type, and from that one area type, we've created a specific area, and that's the one you see on the left side of the map here. We also created two asset types. One was a parent asset type that we called tank car, and there was a child asset type that we called tank. And from those two asset types, we created an actual tank car and an actual tank. Once again, this was a parent asset and a child asset. And the composite asset is what you see on the right here. You might recall that I said the longitude and latitude of that composite asset such that it was close to the area, but not exactly within it, not within the geofence of that area. Now that we have our area and composite asset, from this video onward, we're going to focus on building and executing rules. Let's remember what a rule is. A rule is something that when certain attributes meet certain conditions, the rule will cause an event to be generated. So if an attribute falls within certain bounds or outside of certain bounds, the rule will fire. That's the term that we use. And that will cause an event to be generated. And the event in turn will cause an action to be taken. What kinds of actions can be taken? Well, let's look at action types. Here are the action types that are available to us. Send an SMS or text message, send an email, or publish a message. Very specifically, what this means is publish a message on an MQTT topic that some underlying code is listening on. And this is what allows us to write custom code that does something very unique based on a rule firing. Now you see that creation of rules is in the user section. So someone logged in who has user level privileges can create rules. But you'll see that down here, there are some items that an admin level person would have set up that will facilitate the creation of rules. And they are event types and rule types. Now, in the next few videos, we're going to spend quite a bit of time setting up our event types and rule types. Now, honestly, those few videos might seem like there's a lot of work involved, but what I want you to keep in mind is creation of event types and rule types are probably going to be done much less often than creating rules. So if we do a little bit of work to set these two up, it will really facilitate or make easier the creation of rules, which is what users will be doing most of the time. We want to make our lives, the lives of our users who are creating the rules as easy as possible. So let's see in our next few videos how we create event types and rule types, and then we'll go on to create our rules and then actually execute them.